Welcome to this Midjourney parameters. If you're passionate about crafting amazing AI art with Midjourney, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll explore key parameters to elevate your creations. What are parameters in Midjourney? They're commands added to prompts to control aspects like aspect ratio, stylize, and quality. Mastering them lets you fine-tune your images for precise, tailored results that match your creative vision. Parameter number 1, aspect ratio _AR. This parameter changes the dimensions of your generated image. By default, Midjourney uses a 1:1 aspect ratio, but you can adjust it to fit your specific needs. Examples. Prompt: a serene landscape, AR 16:9. Result: a wide panoramic image, ideal for wallpapers or presentations. Prompt: a detailed portrait of a woman, AR 9:16. Result: a tall, vertical image, perfect for social media stories or mobile displays. Adjusting the aspect ratio helps you tailor the image to different platforms and uses, ensuring your artwork fits perfectly wherever you choose to display it. Parameter quality $Q. This controls the rendering time and detail of your images. The default setting is Q1, but you can increase it for higher quality outputs. Examples. Prompt: a bustling city street at night, Q1. Result: a standard quality image with decent details. Prompt: a bustling city street at night, Q2. Result: a higher quality image with more intricate details and clarity. Keep in mind that higher quality settings consume more of your subscription's rendering time, so use them judiciously based on your project needs. Parameter stylize, stylize, adjusts how strongly Midjourney applies its aesthetic style. Higher values create more artistic, abstract results, while lower values produce more realistic, literal images. Examples. Prompt: a peaceful meadow with wildflowers, stylize 250. Result: a more artistic and stylized image with enhanced colors and textures. Prompt: a peaceful meadow with wildflowers, stylize 700. Result: a more realistic and straightforward representation. Adjusting the stylize parameter allows you to balance between artistic creativity and realistic depiction based on your project requirements. Parameter chaos, chaos. This controls the randomness of the generated images. Higher chaos values result in more unpredictable and varied outputs, while lower values produce more consistent and controlled results. Examples. Prompt: a serene beach at sunset, chaos 10. An image with some unexpected elements or variations in style. Prompt: a serene beach at sunset, chaos 50. A highly varied and creative interpretation of the beach scene. Use chaos when you want to explore creative possibilities or inject unique elements into your images. One of the aspects of Midjourney is the ability to combine multiple parameters within a single prompt. Examples. Prompt: a futuristic cityscape at night with neon lights and flying cars, AR 16:9, Q2, stylize on 250, chaos 7. Explanation: aspect ratio, AR 16:9, creates a wide panoramic view. Quality, Q2, ensures high detail and clarity. Stylize, stylize 250, enhances artistic style. Chaos, chaos 7, introduces slight randomness for creative variation. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember that practice and experimentation are the best ways to master crafting Midjourney parameters. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials where we'll dive deeper into prompt writing, image customization, and advanced features. If you have any questions or want to share your Midjourney creations, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Midjourney.